Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to mark our base plate. We're going to take our ruler and we're going to make 1 inch increments across in the X axis and in the Y axis. So I'm going to start over here. Now that we have our 1 inch grid on the base plate, what we're going to do is we're going to mark our X grids and our Y grids. I'm going to mark the 5, the 10, and the 15. And in Y, I'm going to mark the 0, the 2, and the 4. The 4 is our body wide for our wheel lips. Now if you go to 7 plus a 16th and draw a line across there, and then at 2 and 7/16 inches from center line out, draw another line across this way. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our plan view engineering drawing and we're going to cut it at center line and around our bumpers and our rocker plan view. And we're going to line it up on our grid. Then we're going to take our pencil and we're going to mark our bumper plan view. And around the front bumper. Our rocker. And take it and flip it over, lining up our front and back bumper edges, holding it at center line. And we're going to mark this side of it. Our rocker. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put on our wood armature blocks right on that 7 and a 16th inch line, and one on this side. We're going to take our foam armature block and we're going to place it nice and tight in there like that. Take our other wooden blocks and we're going to lock this guy into place. This will keep our model from moving around. We're going to take one of our popsicle sticks and we're going to cut it in half, and we're going to place those on our 4Y grid line at our wheel lips. We'll be using these for dragging in our body wide points at the wheel lips. So we'll do that to both of those. Now that we've completed the base plate, it's very important that you complete these steps the way I have in order to complete this project. To recap marking the base plate, what we have here is all our grid lines are on the surface. Our Y's are marked at the 0, the 2, and the 4. Our X's are marked at the 5, the 10, and the 15. We have our wooden blocks that hold our armature into place. 2 and 7/16 inch outside of center line and a 16th inch this side of the 7 grid line. We have our plan views marked onto our plate. The setup stage is very important.